Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our latest reviews. Today we are checking out the Trospow 8.2ft power cord replacement, specifically designed for a wide range of sole treadmills. This is a 3-prong AC cable, making it a crucial replacement if you've misplaced or damaged the original cord for models like the F80, F63, F85, and many others listed. This cable is 8.2 feet long, giving you some nice slack for placement, and it features a male to female connector configuration. It's rated for 10 amps at 125 volts AC. Suitable for Type A outlets, which covers standard US power sockets. Trospow emphasizes that this cord is built for safety and durability, featuring a fully molded design for long-lasting strength. In the package, you get one 3-prong replacement power cord. Based on user feedback, it seems to be a perfect fit and works reliably for getting those sole treadmills back up and running. If your treadmill is sitting idle because of a missing or faulty power cable, this Trospow replacement looks like a solid, durable solution that brings your equipment back to life. Check the description below for links to grab yours. Thanks for watching.